Sledhead, and I'm coming at you with my shave of the day for today. It is December 28th, 2018. So I did want to say thanks for joining me for the shave. Definitely do appreciate it. I hope everybody's doing well. Not doing too bad myself here. It's Friday evening. What's it? Oh, sorry, afternoon, late afternoon, 2:49. So I just figured get my shave in here. Did it on Christmas Eve, I believe. So just, a few days worth of growth, get that done here. I do have some new products I wanted to use. Like I said, I have quite a few that I want to get through here. I haven't used this one yet. This is a Christmas present for my brother. I knew he was going to get it for me. I asked him to get it for me. So just one of these things. So to get into it, go through some of the hardware and the software we're using for the shave. Hardware first. This is the razor I used last time. It's the PAA aluminum flat bottom double open comb. This is adjustable, twist adjustable. So it gives you a quarter turn of adjustability. So that's like the full adjustment. That's the mildest. This is the most aggressive. And in there I have a Astra Superior Platinum on its fourth use, I believe. So we'll see if it feels good or not on this. If not, I have a couple of blades here I can switch out. Very nice, $50. I'm definitely liking this so far. So there's the... Now I can read it. Phoenix DOC. Okay, there's the razor. The brush I'll be using, this is from West Coast Shaving. It's this two-tone blue and white black synthetic knot, boss knot, 26 millimeter. I think it's cool. Got a cool coin here on the bottom. There we go. West Coast Shaving, 26 millimeter. I definitely like this brush. Still smells good from the last time I used it, so there we go. Okay, then the software we're going to be using here. This is one of the Stirling Black Friday releases. And this is actually one that Rod put out. He's like, it's very polarizing. You probably won't like it. Bonaparte. So it looks like there. I do have the scent notes here. Well, just first of all, that is a strong soap. There's probably like 10 out of 10 scent coming out here. It's just it's got a lot going on. It's definitely a citrusy, and well, here I'll read off the scent notes. I wrote down thyme, rosemary, bergamot, lavender, petitgrain, lime, lemon, orange, grapefruit, yang yang, and tangerine. So yeah, a lot of the citrusy kind of notes in there, but yeah, like the rosemary and thyme you get off right off the top too. So it's kind of like very herbal with that. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Fairly soft. It's not like a cream, but you can dent it pretty easily. But yeah, I actually like this scent. It's very nice. I know Nomeo said he liked it a lot. I think it's great. It smells really good to me. And with that, it did come with the... Oh, and this is a 3-ouncer, not a 5.8 like their normal ones. 3 ounces soap, which is still plenty. And it comes with the 2-ounce aftershave, matching aftershave there. And I didn't even take the cap off the lid. It's wrapped up still, so I'll get that out. Yeah, my brother said he's like, guy, he's like, you could smell it through the box, so pretty strong stuff. My finger, it seems strong. Got that. Take off the lid. Yep, yep, smells good still. Okay, yep, so that's the software I'll be using. Okay, so that's some of the hardware and the software, so we can go ahead and get the shave started. So let's go ahead and rock this shave out. So what I'll go ahead and do, get my brush wet with hot water or warm water, whatever. Take off the lid here. Shake some of the water up, bring it to the puck here. Start loading up the brush. And these are smaller containers too. They actually work pretty well though, I think. I did get a few other of the Black Friday scents. I just figured I'd use this one because I don't see too many people. Actually, I've seen a lot of people use these in their shave of the days or anything like that. So I know people bought them, but okay. So here, that's the brush loaded up. Looking pretty good. I can always go back to the puck if I need to. I'm going to bring this to the head, start building up a lather here. Oh yeah, this is potent stuff. Like I said, I can see the scent could be polarizing. It's not probably like a, something that's going to be universally loved. I can see how some people wouldn't like it. I like it though. I think it smells pretty dang good. It's an interesting scent, that's for sure. Must have been like some sort of a old school scent because, Bonaparte, like royal family kind of thing. I don't know. Napoleon, but yeah, but the soap's lathering up well here. It's been a while actually since I used the Stirling soap, so good to revisit. They're a very good company, and these sets were good. It was the soap, 3 ounces of soap, and the 2-ounce aftershave, $14. So that's like a good deal. More water here. Get pretty thirsty here. The lather's looking beautiful, I'll tell you that much. I was just watching one of Rudd's videos and he said Stirling soap's very thirsty, so I'm gonna have to, it's hard to break. Hard to give it too much water. And to be honest, it looks like it's pretty good already here. Looking good. Yeah, Stirling's just a good company. They make excellent stuff, and plenty there for another pass. Okay, so first pass here with the grain, with the double open comb Ascension here. Yep, feeling very good. So I hope everybody's Christmas went well. Mine definitely did. It was very seeing a lot of the family and stuff like that. I enjoyed it thoroughly. It's my niece's first Christmas. So that was really cool. All dressed up, cute Christmas outfit. She's adorable. Maybe more than a little prejudice there. Oh, another thing I do like about this, I didn't bring up in my last video with this razor. There's no overhang, so you don't have to worry about if you're shaving your head, you're not going to clip your ears. So that's a nice thing about this razor. I don't really always nick my ears, but it can happen. And we'll see if I get a nice close shave again. The last shave with this, boy, it was dang near BBS if it wasn't BBS. So, yep. Got a couple colognes for Christmas. Happy with that. Just figured, I do like fragrances. I don't have a lot, just because, usually they can be kind of expensive. If you're going to get a smaller, tester thing, I don't know, the prices aren't always as good. But yeah, I'm glad to get some. I actually was watching videos. They have this bourbon one from Bath & Body Works. It's actually well reviewed for a Bath & Body Works cologne. It smells really good. It's like amber and oak and white pepper. It smells really good. And I did get like a 1.7 ounce bottle of Azaro Chrome. I know it's an older one, but hey, you know what? It smells really good. Probably not the... I think you can wear it any time, but it's more of probably a summer or spring fragrance if you really got into it. I've been watching a lot of fragrance channels on YouTube lately, and I like watching them. Okay, so I'm going to go back for pass 2 now here and put a little more water in this brush. Apply another bit here. I've seen people, that's one I actually don't see too much, but I have seen it, like, I think originally when I started, that was like a recommended way to build up lather, do the pump action. That's it, builds up lather. Boy, yeah, plenty of lather here, boy. I feel like with this amount of soap that Stirling gives you in these ones, I might actually get through a puck quicker, because otherwise the 5.8, they're so much soap, but not that I'm complaining. It's a really good deal. I still got a bunch left over. Okay, so we'll go next pass, second pass. It's going to be against the grain, across the grain kind of deal. Still very smooth. I like this bomb tip. It's easy to just hold on to back here. This blade actually doesn't feel too bad. I might try it another time or two. I think I saw somebody post on Facebook or Reddit or something recently an Astra blade. It was like first use to 100th use. It's like, boy, oh boy, I can't imagine using blade 100 times. I just don't feel like it would be good enough for me after a while. But, you know, hey, I guess whatever works. If you feel you don't need to change it, you don't have to. I know some people swear by the, you know, I only use it once and I throw it away, or I only use it twice or 3 times. Like, I guess it just, whenever you feel you're not getting a good shave out of it anymore. It's like no hard, fast rule about it. Definitely your mileage may vary. Residual slickness is pretty good here. I'm just I'm going over spots. No shaving cream there left, or no lather rather, whatever you want to call it. Tonight, my cousin is throwing a surprise party for my aunt. She's turning 60. So we're gonna go up to that. Told her I was gonna go. It was actually supposed to be earlier, but unfortunately my aunt's father died a couple weeks ago, and that's when it was supposed to be. So she had to run out to California. That's where she's from originally, for his funeral and everything. So it's too bad. He was a nice guy. I only met him a couple times, but he had his own real estate office. Century 21, actually. Just like where I work on the weekends now. Okay, looking good. That feels good. And I'll just go back for a little, I'll put a little on here, see if I need to do any pickups. I don't think I'll actually have to. Again, this feels like a pretty close shave. Just a little bit here, I don't need a ton. Nope, that's another really close shave here. Oof. That razor is, that really knocks it down. I'm telling you that much. Real nice. So I can just wipe this off. I'm all good with the head here. Then I will just have to go behind the ears here, but I like to do that after the fact, just to easier to see. So I think I'm pretty good here. Yeah. Looking good. Now I'm just going to go right here in the neck, clean up a bit. Very nice. Just a little bit of with the great action here. Well, that's what it is on my neck. Looking good. Try to get behind the here just so it doesn't go crazy. Looking good. That'll do. The beard's getting kind of wild. Gotta tame it. Okay, let's put on some of this aftershave now. Bonaparte aftershave. There it goes. 2 ouncer. A little bit of burn, not too much though. Boy, this is potent stuff here, I gotta tell you. Put it in the beard a little bit if I want. A little fragrance there, not bad. Yeah, feeling pretty dang good. I might even do one of these too, just a beard brush. Better. Okay, a little more tame. Alright, so that does take care of the shave of the day for today. So let's just go through again what we used for the shave. Okay. Okay, so the razor, again, this is the PAA double open comb, flat bottom, aluminum, twist adjustable. So it's a long name. I do like this a lot. This is a pretty good razor here. I'm very happy with my purchase, about $50. So there we go. Did a great job. The brush, West Coast Shaving, 2 tones like the blue and white, black 26mm tuxedo, black synthetic, aka Boss. It's got the coin there, looking good. And yeah, so very happy with that purchase as well. The soap, Stirling Soap Co. Bonaparte. Definitely an interesting scent, to say the least. I like it though. It's like I said, that the rosemary and thyme is crazy with the citrus. It does smell pretty good though, I think. So there was a soap, 3 ounce soap with the 2 ounce aftershave that it came with for the set. Doesn't want to focus. Oh well. There it goes. Okay, yeah. Yeah, so good stuff here. Okay. So that does take care of the shave of the day for today. So I did want to say thanks for checking out the video. Definitely do appreciate it. Please like and comment below. I definitely like, seeing the thumbs ups on the videos, and the more comments, the better. Definitely had some a lot of good comments on the my last video. And also don't forget to subscribe. I definitely appreciate that. If you do anything, at least like and subscribe. Okay, so again, thanks for checking out the video. Hope you have a great day. Hope you have some great shaves.